Forget the movies, we're entering the real world of Avatar. From scaling vertical ladders at one step to the sky to surviving the wild crowds, I'm showing you the ultimate way to experience Zhangjiajie. Let's get moving. Good morning. Today I'm off to the national park here in Zhangjiajie. I'm gonna go explore the Avatar mountains. I'm really excited. I can't wait to see what they're like and what motivated that film. So let's go. I'm walking towards the east gate. This is the most common gate used by tourists, and there are other gates like the west gate and all them, but this is the most commonly used. Hi, morning. I've reached the east gate. This is what the landmark looks like behind me. I used A-Maps to get here, which is quite convenient. It took me like 20 minutes from my hotel. Just make sure you arrive in plenty of time. As you can see, the queues are building up. So there's two queues here. There's line A and there's line B. It's really busy, and also make sure you stick to your ticket time. Just always remember, your passport in China for most things is your ticket. I'm walking towards the coaches now, and the coaches will take you towards the elevator. Just got off the coach now, gonna head up the elevator. I've been waiting in this queue for like over 30 minutes, so definitely make sure you arrive a little bit earlier. Nearly there. Alrighty then, I'm out of the lift. Time to do a bit of walking, and let's see where we end up. I think we're going up another bus. There's a lot of traveling around here and waiting. But if you do have enough money, you can book with Sun River and get VIP travel. I think they like skip the lines and things like that. So yeah, just a suggestion. That view, isn't it amazing? Now let's take a walk to the #1 viewing platform in the world. Don't look down. There's a guy here making some bread. I think it's got meat inside it as well. And he uses this oven to like cook it. There's plenty of food stalls around here, so you're not short of food or drink. I've just arrived at the viewing platform. Let's take a little look around. Expectation versus reality.
不选择其他交通方式下山。
If you do decide to visit here, make sure you wear good footwear and just know there's plenty of walking. Now I'm on a mission to try and find the cable car. So let's see.
出的贡献。在这里，我代表我们的苗家。
On the bus now.
Right, I think I'm headed in the right direction.
Hello, hello, hello.
So I figured it out. I'm in Zhangjiajie Upper Station right now. I'm not going to get the cable car yet. There's a village down there called Wulong Village, so I'll go down there and see what's around. I'm taking a little breather. My feet are absolutely tired. There's so many steps going down.
Due to temporary maintenance, other means of transportation down. 建议您选择
More walking and more walking. Just bought like 6 oranges for like 10 RMB. Needed a little break and a breather before I continue my trek up. And I mean this trek up, especially after seeing the village. There's another part to this area. Let's see how far it is. Sorry if I look a mess. Okay, I made it onto some flat surface. Gonna head to a park called One Step to the Sky. Just when I thought it was all over, more steps. This was definitely not 1.8 kilometers. I finally made it. Let's hope it's worth it. This is way off the main tourist path. The climb to Zhangjiajie is brutal on the legs, but scaling these vertical rails is the only way to get these views. My heart is racing, but man is it worth it. So I made it to the top. I'm a mess, but the view's worth it. Right, now it's time to go back down them steps. Oh God. I made it down the steps in one piece. Now time to head back another trek. I made it back. Now I've got to go up another set of steps to get to the cable car. It's never ending here, never ending. Much needed. We're leaving the main peaks behind now and heading toward Zhangjiajie to find some even more remote views. Let's see if the cable car ride is as dramatic as they say. Okay, let's see where we ended up and let's see what's next. Turns out I've got 3 tickets to the cable car. Let's go back up again. I hate heights, but the views here are worth it. Look how many tadpoles there are there. It's crazy. If you're booking on the day, these are the ticket prices at the time of me visiting. Not sure if these change by the time you visit, obviously. As incredible as this day was, here is the reality check. We spent 90 minutes just waiting in line to leave the park. My big pro tip, plan your exit early to beat these massive crowds. If you found these tips helpful, join the journey by subscribing to Squiddy on the Move. Finally made it out. It took me an hour and a half. My advice, leave before closing time, then you'll avoid the queues. The queues were horrendous. So a piece of advice as well, make sure you book the 3-in-1 ticket where you get 3 cable car rides and 1 elevator ride. And yeah, lots of walking, so be prepared for that. Hope you enjoyed that and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. And don't forget to like and subscribe, by the way. Bye.